Hello for Uber.
Yes.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey.
Good. Welcome on in.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Wait, you look familiar. Are you in TikTok?
You might have seen me around on TikTok, yeah.
Or TikTok, or are you on another platform? Another, let's just say another. Are you picking up what I'm putting down?
Oh yeah. Not on that one.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Let's just say I get on
Oh.
far corners of the internet late at night. But sorry, I think I'm
you must have seen me somewhere. Yeah. You know what? I feel like I've taken an Uber ride with you before.
Oh, you were my passenger.
I feel like I've been your passenger before.
Oh, you're the one who asked me out on the date. I totally forgot to call you. I'm so sorry.
Oh.
You know, I got busy.
It's okay. Cancel it.
Hey, what did you just do?
Oh, I think my phone's just like dying. We're like.
Did you just cancel the ride?
No, I think I just don't have signal anymore. My phone's like about to die.
No. You literally just said Uber passenger end the ride. Why?
I think your phone just might not have signal either. It says we're only like
No. I literally have the iPhone 15. Like I have max service. That's like I have Wi-Fi.
We're already on the way there. We're like literally, we're so close. Her phone's literally dead.
It's like 20 more minutes. Wait, I'm not gonna take you for free. Are you serious?
I mean, my account is attached to my debit card. I don't think it'll be a problem.
No. If you end the ride, it's a TikTok hack. Are you serious? You watch TikTok?
It sounds like you're gaslighting me right now, assuming I'm going to be doing like this TikTok hack. But we're close. Let's just go. Let's just drop us off real quick.
Your guys' whole generation, you know, my kids warned me about you guys.
Stop.
You just want everything for free.
We're so close. Stop.
Oh my gosh. We're
close.
Instagram.
It's so close.
Oh, you probably.
minutes.
I'm surprised you didn't ask me for a shout out to pay for the ride.
Is that an option? Are we
That's
saying
not
that's
an option.
off the table?
That's off the
Are
table.
you sure it's off the table?
That's a good question.
I would say that would get you a lot more than $20, whatever this ride would be.
How am I gonna pay my bills with an Instagram shout out?
You can monetize off your Instagram page. Come on.
Okay,
to be honest, I feel like a free ride because her phone died and after you didn't call me back after I asked you on a date is fair.
Okay, well I was just being nice. I didn't call you because you kind of give like toxic, crazy vibes.
That's not being nice though.
Oh my
You said you were being
God.
nice and then you call her toxic because you can't just drive.
Well, I
us
was
on
trying
the
to get a
street for, like,
5-star
2
rating, but it doesn't even
miles.
matter anymore because you guys canceled. So.
Well,
We didn't cancel.
I don't know
feel
what
like
you're talking about.
We didn't cancel. I promise you. My phone just doesn't have good signal.
I'm not comfortable taking you guys anymore. I'm sorry. Like I'm getting like my ADHD is kicking in. So.
give me your keys.
What?
Sorry. All right, we're getting out.
We can't even get out of the car. You're locking us in.
We're
See,
locked.
this is what I'm saying. Just take us to the ride.
He
It's
doesn't
so
want
close.
us to leave. He wanted to give us the free ride.
Okay. Thank you. I guess.
0 stars for you.